Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about enable subsystem. Let's search one atomic subsystem. This atomic subsystem will get executed every time when the model will get executed. I don't have any control to say, hey, this atomic subsystem should execute on a particular logic, and in other case, it should not. Maybe I can do one thing, that the logic itself inside of it, I can make it conditional, saying this two conditions are met, then only I should give this output, otherwise set my output as a 0. That will be my logical condition, but there is no control that I have to say this complete subsystem has to be executed and has not to be executed in a particular situation. To make that, I have to add some flag to enable it. That's where this enable subsystem comes. So I can add one flag enable, and this flag will control it. How? So this flag will be additional flag which comes on the top, and this will be a boolean flag. If this flag is connected to a true value, then this atomic subsystem will get executed. If this flag connected to the 0 value, that is the set of input is coming 0 to it, then it will not get executed. So this is how we can convert our atomic subsystem into a enable subsystem. But there is also a way that we can directly search enable subsystem. So we can go over here and enable subsystem. Operationally, both are same right now. There's a direct subsystem created by MathWorks team, and here we are converting atomic subsystem into enable one by giving this flag. Let's understand this in more detail. When we see this enable flag, we have two conditions, states when enabling, held and reset. We will start understanding about this with the example. Okay, so let's create one example. I have one input. I'm going to give one add block, one unit delay, add this output to unit delay, and output of unit delay again back to the add block. Okay, then we will create two constants. One more constant, and because I say this is the boolean, so I will give particular data type as a boolean. And then I will add one scope. Now in this case, I am going to make the setting as held. Okay, same set of input. I'm going to give another one subsystem. Here I'm going to make this as enable, in setting as reset. Okay, now we will make one more change over here in the scope. Change this property. Layout I need 2, and then layout style I need vertical. Apply. That should be okay. Then connect this over here. Same input it should go, and then same over here. Okay, let's execute. Before that, we will also make one more change in the modeling. Then discrete, and then 1. The reason we are doing this, because we want to see the execution in a stepwise manner so that we can understand what should be the output. Okay, in a simple case, what we are doing, we have just created one counter which will go from 1, and because we had the execution time for the 10 steps, so it should go for till the 10. Okay, let's do this. Then execute, run this. See the solution, it is going till 10. There is nothing changed at this moment. Okay, now we will see what additional we can do. So we will start our execution in the debug manner. We will see one by one. Okay, let's execute this in the debug way. So we'll go over here, we will see, and let's execute like this in a step. Okay, the first step, second step looks same. Now I'm going to change this value to 0. Here if we see, the execution has been stopped now. So we had the output value as 3, which remains 3. So now both of the subsystem are not getting executed because our flag is 0. Okay, but if we see, the last value is 3 over here. So here comes a reset, and held will act differently. Reset will start again from 0, held will start from 3. Let's see, give this value back to 1 as if our execution is continue with the flag 1 value, and then execute. So now you see, after 3 it converted to 4, but in the here where we had reset setting, here it got converted to the 1 value again. So from here it restarted itself, reset, right? And then again continue, 1 1 1 incremented, again I make 0, and then I go back into the execution, I see same, then I again convert it to 1, and I will execute one more time, incremented to this upper value from 6 to 7, but here it went to again to 0 value. So this is how enable subsystem works, and also we have seen the difference of held and reset inside of the enable subsystem. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.